Welcome to YARY Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see exercise 1.1, question number 1, second part. The question says, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. As we saw in the previous video, we will be dividing 38,220, that is the biggest number, by the smallest number till we get the remainder 0. As soon as we get the remainder as 0, we will be declaring the divisor at that stage as the HCF of both the numbers. Come, let's solve the question. Since in this question 38,220 is greater than 196, we can apply Euclid's division lemma to A is equal to 38,220 and B is equal to 196 to find the quotient Q and remainder R such that 38,220 will be equal to 196 into quotient plus R, where our R will be ranging between 0 and 196. So when we divide 38,220 by 196, we get the quotient as 195 and the remainder as 0. Here, if you see, 38,220 is our dividend, 196 is the divisor, 195 is the quotient, and remainder is 0. So you can write it in this format, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is how we write. So 38,220 will be equal to divisor, that is 196 into quotient. Quotient is 195 plus remainder is 0. Since we got the remainder as 0, the divisor at this stage will be HCF of 196 and 38,220. The divisor at this stage is 196. Therefore, our HCF of 196 and 38,220 is equal to 196. 196 is the divisor of HCF of 196 and 38,220. You can do the similar steps till you get 0. You have to repeat and complete this question. Find the HCF of 867 and 255 using Euclid's division algorithm. And let me know the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe YARY Tutorials. Thank you.